Respiratory failures are the world's driving reason for death, yet the couple of medicines accessible are frequently costly and distant. Albeit that has been the situation for quite a long time, the World Health Organization cautioned back in 2020 coronary illness numbers were still on the ascent. Verve Therapeutics says changing human genomes to forestall the development of terrible cholesterol may be the response, and is making what CEO Sakar Kathirazan says might be an extremely durable answer for coronary illness. The organization is supported by Google Ventures, as per a report about the leading edge distributed Friday in Bloomberg. Verve likewise counts a Harvard clinical teacher and an honor-winning clinical master among its prime supporters. We're on the cusp of possibly changing that model to a limited-time offer treatment, Kathirazan told the business distribution. The quality-altering method will at first be taken a stab at people who have previously languished a coronary episode over an innate condition that affects upwards of 31 million individuals worldwide. Verve utilizes CRISPR quality altering, a strong yet morally complex quality device. Assuming this round of testing works out in a good way, Verve might extend to bigger gatherings. While some, similar to Tesla and SpaceX CEO Elon Musk, stress that drawn-out life traverses are definitely not a smart thought for Earth, individuals whose lives would be saved could feel somewhat better, particularly given how costly medication can be. It's normal for life-saving medicines, similar to insulin for instance, to be so costly individuals can't manage the cost of it and kick the bucket, all things considered. Reasonable, available treatment could be not far off in the event that Verve pulls this off.